What's good, YouTube? It's the Asian Phenom back with another very exciting toy review. Let's see what I have here today. This is another one of these exciting Transformers. Welcome back to my channel. It's the Asian Phenom back with another very exciting toy review. Let's see what we have here today. Don't be shy. Wow, it's another one of these Beast Hunters Transformers. This is the Beast Hunter Optimus Prime. Now let me tell you guys, I've never owned an Optimus Prime in my life. This is my very first one. So when I looked at the price of an unbelievable price of $25.99 from Ross Dress for Less, wherein others are selling for around 60 bucks, I had to get it. Look at this exciting box. Let's see what else is going on right here. We got first time ever with Dragon Assault truck mode and 5 spinning cannons. Of course, from Hasbro. Get the 5 spinning cannons, all described here. Look at how exciting he looks. Let's take a look at the back. Beast Hunter Optimus Prime Autobot. This is an intermediate level of 2 on scale 1 to 3. And here are all the action it does. Turn and press where you can fire. 5 rapid missiles. Glowing battle lights. You got it transforming into this awesome truck. Wow, amazing. Windshield even lights up. Look at that. And on the side, pretty much the same. And pretty much nothing on the bottom. You know, let's unbox this baby. I'm super excited. My very first Optimus Prime. Here we go. Hope you guys are as super excited as I am. Here we go. Hope you guys are super excited as I am. Here we go, kids, straight out of the box. Look how exciting this looks. Super huge. It's about, I would say it's about 12 inches height. Here we go, kids, straight out of the box. This huge Optimus Prime measures a little bit over 1 feet. It's made of all plastic. And the windshield even lights up when you press down on this chest plate right here. Awesome, isn't it? It's like kryptonite. So let's put this down. Let me show you guys what the accessories they all come with. We have this shield. And this awesome big sword. Very sharp. So be careful. Got a handle for the transforming into the truck. And you got these projectiles, 4 different types of projectiles that it shoots. Let's take a look at each. This is like a missile. This is like a mace, something like that. Another missile projectile. And like some type of lance. So let's take a look at this. Awesome, typical, traditional blue and red. Representing Optimus Prime Autobots. Got the wheels right here that spin. And the head that moves left to right slightly. Got the arms that rotate. and bends at the elbow joints. And the fist even turns a little bit. Got Autobot logo right here. The legs twist. It also comes with this instruction manual that tells you how to transform it. This is chapter 17, Beast Hunter Optimus Prime. Tales of the Beast Hunters. Wow, it's very complicated. Yeah, I would say I'm a rookie when it comes to Transformers. I haven't owned too many Transformers when I was a kid. Autobots, teleport me to a warmer climate!